Me, y'all.
Today I'm planting my first strawberry plant. Come with me, y'all.
That's my strawberry plant. Just one lonely strawberry plant. Different things over here.
Okay, y'all, before we actually plant that strawberry plant, here are some of my seeds that I will also be attempting to plant a little later. Y'all, like I said, I have no experience, so any comments, notes that you can provide,
if I'm going to plant those yet or
it's
not.
definitely appreciated.
CC Texas Garden sent me a bunch of seeds, y'all. And let me show y'all. I haven't decided where to put my planters at just yet. Where exactly in the yard I'm going to put them. I do pots. I don't do it in the grass. I really want to just put them on the deck here. Anyway, let's get started. So I am going to attempt to try to plant some of my seeds this morning, afternoon, whatever it is. And I thought I had more than what I actually have from last year, but I don't. Y'all think this big enough for the strawberries? This would be large enough just to plant the strawberries. I think what I'm going to do is, and I don't know if I should do this, I don't know if it's the wrong thing to do, but I think I'm going to use one of my larger pots and do multiple seeds. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, y'all. I'm an inexperienced gardener, okay? I'm learning. I'm trying to learn. I need your help. So if you see this video, drop in the comments and tell me what I should and should not be doing. But I think I'm going to start off with the strawberries in this little planter. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. So I've got some garden soil. Oh, that's heavy, y'all. It says for in-ground use. Is that gonna matter because we're using pots? I tried this for the very first time last year. I actually enjoyed it. I didn't have a whole lot of success. Okay, let's get some of this soil. I'm gonna just put it right in here. Make sure that hole is good, and I remember that. I don't know how much dirt I need. Okay, I'm gonna do about that much. Then I'm supposed to make a little well in the middle, is that right? Wait a minute, I don't well in the middle here. And then I'm gonna take this strawberry plant. What's the best way to get it out of here? So, oh, am I supposed to loosen up the roots? Do I disturb this or do I just sit it in the dirt? Child, I don't know. I don't want to mess anything up. Anyway, y'all see those dead leaves? He just bought this plant. Alright, I'm gonna sit it right in the middle here. Wow, I'm gonna need a lot more dirt.
Am I doing this right? I hope I'm doing this right, y'all. I really want to be able to get some strawberries, but is that good? I don't know. Let's get some water. Okay, I got my little pot here. Let's water it. How's that looking? Does that look okay? I hope that there will be some gardeners on my channel that will give me some feedback. So this to me looks pretty good. So that's the strawberry plant. That's my strawberry plant. We'll see how it progresses. I hope so. Anyway, let's put her to the side. There's that strawberry plant. Okay. Let me know if I need to add anything, if I need to take anything away. That's my first plant, strawberries.